Okay, we got it sanded and most of the gum residue off. Take some low odor mineral spirits. Get our cheesecloth wet. I'm going to wipe her down and see what she looks like. So get all the dust off and give us like a preview look, or what I call a wet look. Polyurethane, what it look like. Oh yeah, look at that. It'll be fine as wine. Now any of the deep scratches that go below the surface of the finish, we're just going to leave. That adds character. I'm not going to go crazy and destroy the original finish down the wood like I have to with the other ones because they were painted blue. My Haywood Wakefield seats. What's this one say? D-A-K-H-A-N? D-A-K-T? Scratched in there? See, that's going to be cool. There's the seat. It's going to look beautiful. Alright, you tack them once with cheesecloth, mineral spirits. Let it dry. I'll hang it up in the bathroom and let it dry. And then you tack it again with a wax cloth. They just call it a tack cloth, I guess. And we'll coat it. Alright. Come back to you later. Okay, we got the first seat back sanded down. I'm thinking this is going to be maple. The more I look at it, it looks like maple. There we go. Some pretty deep scratches in the back here, but like I said, we're not going to try to get those out or cover them in any way. It just testifies to the age of these. These are over 80 years old. Probably closer to 90. You just can't find wood like this anymore. It's gorgeous. There you go. Ooh, look at the sun. Ooh. There's some scratches from students on there, but that's okay. Let these dry and then we'll give them a coat of polyurethane. Okay, later.